Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Nisha here and I'm back with another video and I hope you guys are absolutely fine. Well, in this video I will be talking about this mensuration cup and I know you guys already know so much about it because there are hundreds of videos on internet and most of them are like, oh my god, I lost this mensuration cup inside me. Oh my god, my mensuration cup leaked. Oh my god, my mensuration cup hurted me so much that I'm not going to use this ever again in my life. Well, let me tell you, those are just a clickbait to earn more money, and I think you guys should not fall for such videos. What I believe is that you should at least try this mensuration cup once in your lifetime, and I can 100% assure you that once you start using this and once you are comfortable using this, you will never ever go back to your menstruation product ever again in your life. Before I start my video, let me tell you what exactly it is. It is a mensuration cup. It is like a cup. You have to put this inside your vagina while you're on period. It stores the blood inside it for about 8 to 10 hours, and then once this cup is full, you have to remove it, flush it out, wash it. Again, you can put it back and reuse it. This cup is made up of silicone. It is very soft and flexible, very easy to use, very easy to wash. It holds more. It holds the 1 ounce of liquid, like twice the amount of super absorbent tampons or pads, good for overnight protection. It is very eco-friendly, very wallet friendly. Like one cup will cost you around for 450, 550 something, and it lasts for about 5 to 10 years, which is long time. Like, can you imagine, you have to buy just one product and you are done for about 5 to 10 years. You don't have to buy your period products every next month. The mensuration cup which I use is from Avni. Why Avni is because this mensuration cup is bit wider and lot more smoother than many of the cups available. It feels great. The silicone is made out of really smooth and makes it breeze to insert and remove. Its wider design also helps to prevent leak for those who have wide vagina, and the solid stem doesn't collect any blood or other tissues, so it's easier to clean than some of the cups with hollow stems. The outer packaging looks something like this, and this mensuration cup comes in this very cute pouch, and along with the pouch you get the Avni antimicrobial wipe cloth. It quickly absorbs all the moisture of the cup. Use it to wipe the cup dry every time you wash or sterilize the cup. Also use it to clean the cup while traveling if you do not have access to water. Wash the wipe cloth at least after every cycle or more if you feel like it. Before using this cup, there are hundreds of questions in our mind and I will try to clear your doubts one by one. So basically this cup comes in 3 sizes, like small, medium and large. You have to see on website of the brand, whichever the brand you are selecting, and you can select according to the age group and whatever the details is given on their website. You have to read it properly and then purchase it. The sizes depends on brand to brand, so always read it carefully. And once you select a proper size, you will not face any problem. Whatever the problems like leakage or the cup get sometimes like lost inside your vagina, what people think, which is actually not. So those problems are because of wrong sizes. The biggest mistake I did was in the beginning is that when I saw the videos on internet, I was so excited to purchase this mensuration cup. Like, I want to try this mensuration cup now. And I, without reading anything on website, I just purchased the mensuration cup, and I thought that it comes in only one size. Like, it is very soft and smooth, so I thought that it will fit to every size. Like, it comes in same size, so I bought the bigger size than my size. Mine is smaller size, medium size. So I bought the bigger size and then I tried to use it. Like, when I tried to put inside it my vagina, then it was not going because it was bigger. The mouth of this was bigger, so it was not going. I was getting hurt and I tried multiple times but it didn't went. Then I thought, this is not for me, I'm not going to try it. But then again I thought of this, and then I read this on internet about this, and then I purchased my right size obviously Avni helped me to choose my right size, and then when I first time inserted the right size inside my vagina, it went inside so smoothly, popped in so smoothly. And then when I tried to remove it, first time it was a bit difficult while removing, but it came out so smoothly. Now many people think that this menstruation cup may leak. So what happened exactly is, when you put this cup inside your vagina, it creates a vacuum inside it. So it doesn't go inside or it doesn't come out. It fits so perfectly inside your vagina. What happens is, if you choose a wrong size, like if you choose a smaller size and your size is a bigger one, then it may go inside or may get down, so there is space for blood to leak, so that can happen. What another circumstances is that, when you fold this cup and when you put it inside and it doesn't open inside, so there are chances for your blood to be leaked, like it may leak from here or here. So always check that your cup is opened inside. How you can choose is that it's very simple. You have to put the finger inside and check. You can feel it obviously if it is not opened properly. So if it is not opened, just remove it back, again fold it and put it back, and again check it is open inside or not. So it's that simple. It's not going to leak. Many people think that, can this cup get lost inside? Well, let me tell you, your vagina is not Alibaba ki gufa. There is no space for this cup to get lost. There is very little space, and only this cup can fit inside it. For example, if your size is bigger and you buy the size, the smaller one, and when you put inside your vagina, there is few space into your vagina, so it may get inside and you have to dig it around, check it and then remove it. So only the problem it may cause because of the size. Few doubts comes in our mind before using this cup is that, will this cup will cause pain, rashes, irritation or infection? Well, let me tell you, this menstruation cup is made up of silicone. It is very smooth, so it doesn't cause any rashes, redness or anything. It will not cause you infection unless and until you clean this properly. It will not hurt you while inserting. It can be folded in many sizes. It's very flexible, so when you put it inside it, it will not cause you any pain, because while you are on period, your vagina is naturally creating lubrication, so it's very easy to insert it while you are menstruating. Okay. The biggest question about this cup is that, is it comfortable while this cup is inside our vagina? Will we feel something that something is inside our vagina? Well, you will feel it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and when you sit, stand and move, it will automatically get adjusted in your vagina, and after that you will not feel anything. Well, something is there, so something little bit you will feel it, but if you keep thinking about it, it will keep bothering you. Cup is very comfortable to use while sleeping, traveling, doing sport or swimming. You don't have to bother about anything. You can just freely do your thing. This cup will not give you any bad odor, because unless and until your blood hits the air, it doesn't give bad odor. So obviously the blood is inside your vagina, so it will not give you any bad odor like which you get with the pads. Let me quickly tell you how to use it. All you have to do is just relax, be on your squat position and fold it. There are many ways to fold it, but what I think is that this is my favorite one. You have to punch it down like this and hold it, so the mouth become very small, and it gets very easy to get inside it, and very easy to open. So that's why I like this. You have to just insert it in your vagina very smoothly, and you just have to leave it like that. It will just pop inside like this, and just check it has opened inside or not. Just check from here and just turn it around and check, and then it will get fixed inside your vagina. And how to know that your cup is full? Well, if you are using this for the first time, just remove it before 6 to 7 hours, and then remove it and then check it how much you have mensurated, and check the blood flow and everything, and then you can wash it and then put it back. So if you use this for 2 to 3 times, then you will get to know when to remove your menstruation cup. Now, how to remove it? It's bit a tricky part if you are a beginner. All you have to do is sit in squat position. Don't sit on pot. Sit in your bathroom, relax, and then slowly try to remove it. Just don't hold the stem and then try to remove it. No, just hold it like this and slowly press it and then remove it. Don't think that your blood may fall, it may get twist around and then everything will get messy or something. It doesn't happen like that. It comes smoothly and everything gets smoothly. If you still think that your bathroom may get messy, then try to remove this in while you are under shower. For the first time, if you doubt that this cup may leak or you are uncomfortable, all you can do is use the panty liners or pad while using this cup for the first time. Now, how to wash this cup? It's not very difficult, guys. All you have to do is just flush the blood out and then wash it with normal water, and then wash it with hot water, and you can reuse it. Or else what you can do is you can use the menstruational cup wash. The Avni Mensuration Cup wash is specially formulated the wash to fight tough blood stains while being gentle on your hand. The plant-based formula gives a deep clean effect without affecting the color and softness. So all you have to do is just take a cup of water and add few drops of the wash and add a menstruational cup into it. Gently wash the cup from in and out with the hands. After that, wipe this cup with antimicrobial wipe cloth and then you can reuse it. Also, you can use this Avni vaginal wet wipes to clean the cup, especially while traveling if you do not have access to water. This is Avni vaginal wet wipes, and guys, this is very useful product. Like while you are traveling, most of the time we do not get access to water, especially in public toilets. So this comes very handy. You can use these wipes to clean your vaginal area. Peel the sealed label from the pack, pull out the wipes, unfold and gently wipes the vaginal area from front to back once. Deposit off after one use. Seal the label properly to prevent dyeing of the wipes. It helps you feel fresh and clean with the mild cleansing properties. Plant extracts soothe the skin and prevent from infections, rashes, allergies and unpleasant odors. So guys, this is the end of my video. I'm not forcing you to use the menstruation cup. Obviously you can choose according to your preference and your comfort. I would suggest that you should at least try this for a few times and then decide whether you want to use this or you want to go for your regular period products. This is a life-changing product for me, so definitely I will suggest you to use this product. And if you want to buy this, link is given in the description box below. You can definitely check them out. And yeah, that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, like this video may was helpful for you guys. If yes, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Comment down below what other videos you want me to do. If you have any suggestion or doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. Do subscribe to my channel and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.